How to make Roberta's pizza dough recipe even better. Beautiful. How to make Roberta's pizza dough recipe even better. 153 grams of Caputo type 00 flour, 153 grams of all-purpose flour, but we did say we're gonna make it better, so we're gonna switch that with 153 grams of General Mills All Trumps flour, 8 grams of sea salt, 2 grams of yeast, 1 cup of water. So we're gonna add the yeast to the water, mix it, and let it bloom. Sift the flour. How beautiful is this pizza? Ooh, look at the char. Look at that char. Roberta's pizza dough recipe, the most popular pizza dough recipe online. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hear that? Hear that crisp? Oh yeah. Hard work pays off as I finally get to taste this pizza. That's the slice. It's the bottom. Look how beautiful that looks. How beautiful the bottom is. Look at the crust. Crust on that slice. Let's try it out. Finger licking good. Outstanding pizza, guys. Use this recipe to make your homemade pizzas. It's really good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.